Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. Coinsler, near, Filecoin price analysis, 01 March. While overall sentiment saw a rapid improvement in the last 24 hours, Stellar and EAR's RSI to test its overbought levels, before facing a slight pullback. On the other hand, Filecoin's super trend continued to be in the green zone, while flashing high volatility in the near term. Stellar XLM, after recovering from its January lows, they all saw impressive gains by rising above all its EMA ribbons. However, since the sellers accelerated their force at the $0.2464 level, XLM descended in a down channel, yellow. After losing over 37% of its value, XLM plunged towards its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA continued to display a strong resistance. Over the last 5 days, XLM was up by 21% and broke out of its down channel. Also, the bulls kept testing the 19 cents resistance, while marking higher troughs. This trajectory revealed increasing bullish influence. Any close above this resistance could propel a test towards the $0.209 mark. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.198. The bullish RSI moved in an up channel and jumped above the 59 mark. Now, it most likely will try to test the overbought mark before a pullback. Near protocol, near, since its ath on 15 January, near lost 82.83% of its value and rushed toward its 11-week low on 24 February. Moreover, it lost its crucial $10.9 level resistance, previous support. Near witnessed an ascending channel, white, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ADX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Filecoin, Phil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus, still entailing a high volatility phase. The second huge, in fact, doesn't bring any outright harm to the industry with its roadmap or reports that should eventually lead to a clear regulatory framework for digital assets in the US. Speaking to Cointelegraph, Justin Arenhofer from the Monero community suggested that the recent price surge has come from more family funds and individuals holding Monero as a hedge and was spurred by recent market and political turmoil. A member of the Haven Protocol community, a hawk, tied XHV's price spike to an upcoming integration on Thorchain, which he called one of the most cutting-edge decentralized exchanges, DEXs, in all of crypto. Jack Gavigan, executive director of this Cash Foundation, said that the surge of privacy coins prices could be the result of Bitcoin price's strong dynamics. Privacy without compromises at the outset of the cryptocurrency movement, anonymity was one of the core promises of Bitcoin and crypto at large. But, alongside industry maturing and gradually merging with the traditional financial markets, digital currencies have faced a demand from both institutional investors and regulatory bodies everywhere to comply with the Know Your Customer (KIC) and Anti-Money Laundering (AML) standards. This strips users of anonymity, at least at the point of withdrawal exchange operations on compliant platforms. As a series of high-profile enforcement actions in the US demonstrated, blockchain traceability also doesn't help those who wish to hide their financial operations. Privacy coins came about as a reaction to these compromises. Bitcoin has never been private. Ether has never been private. Tether has never been private, a hawk noted to Cointelegraph, explaining crypto developers' persistent drive to create truly private fungible cryptocurrencies. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish.